Do you guys get sick of cycling through different printer apps just to view each one of your individual prints? Have you ever wanted a camera that can just view all of your printers all at one time, all on one screen, quickly and simply and remotely? I think I found a solution. It's been working well for me so far, and I think you guys will like it too. Here's a quick example of it. And if you're interested in doing this and one would like to know how, keep watching till the end and I'll show you all about it. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another episode of JAT Workshop and Design. Today we are going to go through and experiment with a new type of 3D print monitoring option. If you're sick of, like, if you have a Bamboo A1 or P1P, or even one of the Creality machines like the K1 Max or any of those machines, and you want to be able to remotely monitor how your printer is doing, if it's got a massive issue, or if it's just completely stopped or run out of filament, and you're not there and its built-in system isn't quite working, this may be another solution that will give you access. This is a item that someone reached out and gave to me for free, but it is not a sponsored video, and then no money was transferred hands. But this was a free item, so we're gonna see how it will work today and if I would recommend it. Alright, so what we have here, it's called the CAMDUCK. It's actually listed as a hidden camera smoke detector, but it's got a pretty nice feature. It mounts on the ceiling, so if you have your printers lined up in a way where you can go around the room or something like that, you can actually turn this remotely and see each one of your printers. It's designed to look just like a smoke detector, so it could be used as a hidden camera in your house or something like that also, but my purpose is going to be remote print monitoring. It's a pretty sleek design. It does have mounting screws and the base plate here, which is pretty nice. And then you could also always, double sticky tape this or something like that, or find a magnetic solution or something like that if you don't want to permanently mount it. It is a hardwired option, so you can hardwire it. It does also have battery power. It will survive up to, I believe, 9 hours or something like that. If it's longer than that, I will put it right here somewhere. It is a pretty good sized battery there. It's an NIR battery, so nothing name brand, but it doesn't look super cheap either. So we're going to go ahead and pull the plastic there out. And then in this, it does have the USB-C, so you can hook it up to USB-C to power it all the time. And it does have an SD slot, so this can monitor while not hooked up to the TV. You can pull videos up via your phone. To view it on your PC, you would have to pull the SD card out to do it. When the card gets full, it does rewrite over the oldest video. So we're going to go ahead and pull that on out. And it does include a 128 gigabyte SD card. And it does include a USB to SD card adapter here, which is pretty nice. And it does include a fairly short USB-C cord, some mounting hardware, and then it does include a little guitar pick to pop this up if you need. But it's pretty easy to get under with your fingernails and pop it right up. So we're going to go ahead and open up the SD card and get that put in. is on. We are on battery backup. So yeah, now I'm gonna get my phone ready and we'll get connected to the app and get this set up. Alright, I got the app downloaded here. It is the CAMDUCK app. Pretty easy to find. It's a little duck floating in a pool. Just gonna go ahead and click start. Click to add camera. Remote monitor setting, remote viewing when you're not near the camera, or close range monitor setting, only view when close to the camera. This goes off of Bluetooth and this here goes off of Wi-Fi. So we're going to set it up for remote monitoring. This is the 007. They do have some other models like the USB-C plug-in outlet expander. It does have a camera built into it, USB and all that kind of stuff. Pretty neat little thing I may get in the future also if this actually turns out. I'm going to go ahead and select this, enter my password quick. Battery was too low out of the box to be able to run the Wi-Fi connection here. So I'm going to plug it in and try it again here. And choose stay connected. We're just going to double check here that we're connected to CAMDUCK, which we are. And here we go, we got a percentage bar. Kind of hard to see, I know, but alright, looks like we're connected. So we're going to go ahead and view this here. It's obviously upside down because it's supposed to be mounted, you know, like so. So we do have video. It is supposed to be a 2K resolution. So that's pretty cool. It does connect fairly quickly. It does have multiple modes here as far as settings go. You can test the function record. You can take still photos if you wanna. If you're watching it and you need to make a photo, it will store a photo. It will start to record and record it. It does not do audio, but there is the turn function. So this is the cool feature that I thought would be really handy for people with multiple printers set up on different areas. Because it does do, so there's one in stop and there's the other. So it does nearly a full 360 degrees. And that will also zoom in. So if you have something, say, on a lower, you can zoom in and then go up and down to get a little bit better view. You know, quality is not going to be amazing. It is only a $90 security camera, so don't expect too much out of it, but it will be plenty well for print progress and whatnot. So we're going to go ahead and put this in the print room. I got a couple prints going on the upper and lower shelf, and I'll do some screenshots of this and put it up in the camera here so you guys can get a better idea of the quality of the video and if it's going to be good enough for you. And then I'll also pull some videos off of this and slap that in the video here too as we go through the rest of the specs and stuff here. Alright, I got the screen record pulled up here, and basically what we have here is the interface of the web app. If you click the center and turn it sideways, you can view it all. In the top right, we have the options here to rotate and flip the camera as needed. So if you do have it flat mounted, you can flip it upside down. In the top left, you do have screen record and take a picture buttons. So that's pretty handy. And then on the screen, you can see in the bottom right there, you have the control. The one thing I do not like so far about the controls is they are inverted for some reason. Not really sure why that is. But I have reached out to CAMDUCK and see if they are working on a fix for this or not. The other nice thing, in the app, you can zoom in like this. When you're recording a video, it does not quite show like that. It will just do the full screen. It doesn't actually zoom the camera. It just zooms in on what you're looking at. It's pretty handy. Like I say, you can zoom in fairly close to stuff and get a good idea how your print's doing. It's not going to show extremes like small layer shifts and stuff like that, but it'll get you a great overview. Hey, you know, this isn't even printing anywhere close, or something's detached from the bed, etc. It's extremely handy when, say, like the A1 camera is just not connecting, or your K1 Max or something like that is, you know, doing its camera thing where it doesn't pull up on the app like it should. In here we have the album. This is where you can check videos that you have saved or recorded. And you can share directly from the screen if you want to move it to your Google Drive or something like that. So that is another handy little feature. While this goes through that, just to show you the settings and everything like that. The downsides of this machine is, number one, the USB-C. If you do have it in the ceiling mount thing, it does not have the pass-through for the USB-C cable. So if you do want to hardwire it with a USB-C input, that's not really possible without, you know, modifying the base plate. The other thing on that is it is a 110 to 220 volt input. So it will work no matter where you're at in the world. One of the two inputs will work. It's through one input, it does it automatically. So, and a couple corrections from earlier in the video, it does not work off of Bluetooth. It is strictly off of Wi-Fi. If you do choose the local Wi-Fi option, you have to connect to its Wi-Fi to connect to it, so that it's not actually on your Wi-Fi if you're worried about it being out there. So remote monitoring is obviously not possible in that setup unless you have it through another loophole. The camera, if you're trying to set it up as an IP camera, because it technically is being a Wi-Fi camera, it is not actually accessible outside of the app. So if you're trying to set it up and view it on a web browser on your computer, or if you want to connect it up to Home Assistant or something to that effect, that is not going to be possible with this camera. So that's perfectly okay for the purpose, especially for what I'm going to use it for. Just quick 10-20 second pop-ins to make sure everything's working correctly. And yeah, that's pretty much it on the machine. The company CAMDUCK has been extremely quick and easy to reply with most questions and everything regarding the product. Super easy to work with. So far it seems pretty good. No reliability issues so far, and initial setup was pretty easy. Overall, I would definitely recommend this product if you're looking for a quick and easy, simple solution like this, and it's definitely going to help in the future. So if you guys like this product and video, I will have a link in the description below of where you can pick one up for yourself. It will be an affiliate link, so it will help my channel out a little bit. There is a few options, whether you want it to include an SD card or include a backup battery, etc. And if you guys like the channel, check out my other videos over here and subscribe over here and click that like button down below. And if you guys have any comments or any other questions on this, feel free to comment and I will answer as best as I can. Thanks for tuning in today, and hope you all have a great day. Thanks.